The new Be Happy box just arrived on my doorstep. Would you like to see it? Yes, me too. Stick around. Okay, in case you're wondering, there was a shipping delay, a major shipping delay. I was supposed to get this a while ago. You know, things with the post office, things with UPS, FedEx, all that are very slow these days. I am just so happy to finally have gotten this in the mail. It literally just arrived. In case you don't know what this is, it is the new Feelin Festive Be Happy box. It is still available on the Happy Planner website. I will link it in the description. I'd appreciate it if you use my affiliate link if you purchase it. Let's check it out. So this is seasonal, as you can see. Hip hip hooray, Happy Planner. Spread a little holiday magic. Ooh, it's always so nice. Like, it's such a nice little surprise. I have not looked at flip throughs, you guys. I don't do that because I really want to be surprised and I want this to be my first impressions with you. Let's take a look. Oh, there's people here while I'm trying to film. Shocker. Ooh, look at this. Look at this beauty. Lots of holiday products. First let's pause the video so that I can have people stop talking. Okay, hang on. Sorry about that. We have lots of stuff in here. Let's take things out one at a time, which is what I like to do. First up, we have classic metal discs. They are green. This is what they look like. Look at that. What I mean by classic size discs, if you're new to the Happy Planner, that just means that they're gonna fit your classic, your big planner, or your mini when it gets real full. And then you can get expander discs, which are larger when your planner starts to get full. But this is what almost every planner comes with, this size disc. And a little card that says what's in here. Oh, they're calling them mistletoe metal discs. Making spirits bright with festive green metal discs for Christmas. We have some holiday cards here. I have some of these from other years and I actually really like having them because I do use them for various things. So here are the two cards you get, Jingle and Mingle and Happy Holidays. Ooh, these envelopes feel really good. They feel really thick. Yeah, and I don't think there's anything inside. Yeah, they're blank. Happy notes. Cute. Oh, let me show you up close. So it looks like we're getting some squad girls that might look a little bit different. Are they still called squad girls? I have no idea. All right, we have this cute little vinyl sticker. It says spread kindness, and these girls are hanging out together in their snow outfits, right? There is some silver foil on this. It's a very thick sticker, and it's basically for putting on really anything. You could put it on your water bottle, on your laptop, on the like front of your planner, or you can use it in a spread, which is what I typically do, but that's really cute. Sneak peek. Nope, we're not going to see it yet. We're not seeing it yet. We're not seeing it until the end. I'm sorry, that's the way I roll on these flip throughs. You just have to deal with it. We do have some holiday tags. So these are gift tags. Look how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Happy holidays. These are regular and these have like red foil on them. And then happy things inside. How cute. And again, this has foil and that one does not. I love this string to tie on a package. That's so fun. I love wrapping gifts in fun paper or just making them really, really cute. And these will look very nice on my holiday gifts. I can't wait to use them. Oh, and by the way, what I do for gift labels almost all the time is use Happy Planner stickers. I use box stickers. So don't forget about those when you are wrapping gifts. I always use box stickers and then put a couple of little decorative stickers on it too. It makes it super fun. We have some washi tape. Let's see what this looks like. 3 rolls of washi. Stick around while we swatch it. Ooh, fun little scene. Ooh, look at that stripe. That is so pretty. It's like the Happy Planner colors. Spread some happy today. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that stripe so much. Let's check them out. So fun. It keeps coming, you guys. It keeps coming. Here's some filler paper. All right, so we have stocking stuffer ideas for 4 different people, I guess. And then a gift list on the back for what, where, and then we have purchased, wrapped. So you can use these in your holiday planners, or you can just use them in a regular planner. I always love having these kinds of things for gift lists and stuff. I do use them. And then we have other stuff. So I really like how it has the stripes and it coordinates with that striped washi. That's really cute. So you got a bunch of those. And then here's some regular filler paper. These are classic sized filler papers, by the way. And this one's a fall one. Look at that. So this is seasonal and it seems mostly Christmas related, but there is some fall stuff. I know for a fact there's some in that sticker book too. So we'll check that out. But look at the little girl on the bike. She's got her flowers and this is lined obviously, and she's going to be on every page. Yeah. So you get quite a bit of filler paper. Here we have a classic sized notebook. This is a Happy Notes. It has plastic mini red discs, spread good cheer. We have all of these girls hanging out and they're holding that Christmas tree. They're very strong, but there's a lot of them. So I guess maybe they don't have to be that strong. Yeah. But they got their Christmas tree and they're ready for Christmas. Let's check out this. So we have those stripes again, you guys. We have the stripes, lined layout. Fall in love with fall. She's got turkey glasses on. Are you kidding me? I didn't even know those existed. Do they exist? Do any of you have turkey glasses? Let me know in the comments if you do, because I would say I want them, but I don't think I do. I don't think I want those. I don't know. Pumpkins, flowers, really fall colors. That's really cute. Ooh, look at this paper. So the middle has these black stars, but then I don't know if the camera picks this up, but the lines in here are like different colors. So we have like the colors of the stripes. Seriously? Wow. That is cool. I've never seen that from Happy Planner before. So we've got these colors on here, the yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, and then like a green, and then a teal maybe. I don't know, but they're different colors for sure. That's really fun. Yeah, that's really fun. Okay, let's check out the other dividers here. That's like the cover. We can do it. And these are going to be the same throughout the whole notebook. New year, fresh start. So she's wearing glasses too. She's got the little boingy glasses that have the stars that go ying, 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 ying. Yeah. She's having a good time on New Year's Eve. And then stars. Wait, did I see the back of this one? No, I didn't. Christmas trees. Stars. And then stripes. And then there's the back. It's like a very light tan with, looks like snowflakes on it. Little polka dots. Very cute notebook. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the sticker book. I can't wait to dig into this. This looks so cute. It's called Happy Holidays. Like I said, I have not looked at a flip through yet, so this is all new to me. So these are like squad girls, I guess, but they're not really called squad girls. I don't think they're just girls. So we have those stripes again. They carry that stripy theme throughout. And of course, the colors of the stickers are the striped colors too. So it's all going to match. It's all going to coordinate really well. I mean, look, yeah, it all coordinates. So happy things inside, happy holidays. We have today, stickers, important, some boxes there. Here we have some arched longer boxes. This girl's dragging a Christmas tree sled. Spread cheer, spread joy, spread kindness, all that kind of stuff. So that was on paper. This is clear. Happy holidays. So they are Christmas tree shopping, and I guess they are Christmas shopping in general with their presents. I'm assuming that's what they're doing. Okay, this page is really cute. Look at these trees. So this has like green foil. I don't know if you can see that. It's like light green foil kind of, which is really cute. I am not a foil girl, but I love foil accents on my stickers. I don't like the complete foil stickers, but I like the accents because I think it just makes them pop. It makes them really fun. And these trees have like a lot of foil lines on them. I love that. And all of these are so cute. Okay, this is still clear. We have some gingerbread houses, some holly, some candy canes, and lollipops. Or suckers if you're in, I guess, the UK. Okay, so candy canes and all that kind of stuff. We have some gifts too. These are like really whimsical looking gifts, really fun. And here's a whole page of gifts, which is good because when I do Christmas spreads, I love to put a whole bunch of gifts down in a lot of the spreads. And these are really fun because they have that metallic red foil on them. And they're sort of like tilted and fun, you know, they're not just like straight up and down. Then we have another page of those trees, but there's no foil on those. These are on paper. Look at this page. This is so cute. This is so cute. A bunch of snow globes. And I love that it's on the black. And even the snowflakes here are stickers too. So yeah, that's really, really cute. Okay, functional boxes here, but they're cute, of course. More functional boxes, more cuteness. I love the colors. And then some of those stickers from the other page, they're just smaller to fit into different spaces. And look at that little dachshund. Is it a dachshund maybe? Maybe. But he's got a pink coat on and I'm all for that. I'm here for it. Okay, so this page is a bunch of strip stickers. They're pretty skinny. You know, sometimes we get the skinny strips, sometimes we get the fatter strips, but these ones are pretty thin. And yes, you guessed it, they're stripes in those colors again. Minus, I guess, the yellow in this one. So these are going to fit your dashboard layout, and I use them in my big happy planner as well, or my classic. I use these kind of stickers all the time. I love that size. And then we got a bunch of flags in those colors, and then some metallic red flags as well. Some arched boxes here noted, they say, and then some little flags in the middle. I love that we're getting a lot of functional stickers in here. We also have these again, but with gold foil on them. Okay, some quotes. Spread a little happy magic, happy holidays, jingle and mingle, happy things inside. I would totally use this for a gift tag, and I'm going to. I would put it like in a box sticker and then put it right on the package. That's on clear, by the way. So here we have some fall stickers. I feel like the fall stickers should have been first. It's sort of strange that they're after the Christmas stickers. I don't know. I don't know what you're thinking, Happy Planner, but they're cute. They're really cute. Give thanks, seasons of color, big plans, important. I love this sticker book because it's just something new that we haven't seen from the Happy Planner in a while. Well, we've never seen this exact thing, but this type of fun, whimsical vibe and the girls and everything, it's been a while since we've seen those in a sticker book, and I really enjoy those. So I'm glad they made one like this. Be thankful, spread gratitude. We've got some pumpkins. That girl's chilling with her coffee. If you're not somebody who likes the arch stickers, and like some people love them, some people don't. I work with them. They're not my favorite. So what you can do with that is you can totally cut the top off and then put like another box on top, or you could even like cut the top off and put little stuff on the top, like say little presents or something to finish off the top of the box, or a header. So don't feel like you have to use them as this, and that if you don't like them, you're not going to, you know, use the sticker, because there are ways to camouflage that, you know, the top if it's cut off, if that makes sense. So we have the fall girls. You know what I love? I love that they included different sizes of the girls in here. That is good. I'm really happy that it seems more inclusive than before, and I think that's a really good thing. A really good thing. So that makes me happy. But they're pumpkin picking and, you know, baking and stuff like that. Ooh, look at these. So those are unclear. These are also unclear. Sunflowers and pumpkins and pies. Cozy socks. Yes, it's almost cozy sock weather. Can you believe that? Crazy. In my office, it's cozy sock weather all year round because it's in the basement and it's cold. So if I come down here without socks in the morning, you know, I need to go back up and get them. I know you don't care if you're new to my channel and you're just like, I want to see the flip through. Why are you talking about your cold feet? I don't know. I'm awkward. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. These are really pretty colors, like a color combo. I love this one. It's like a very soft tan, but it's almost a cream. I love that because you don't see that color very often, I don't think, in stickers. And then, so we have more functional boxes in the different colors. Great for your Thanksgiving spreads, especially, I think. And then here they are again, doing their thing. Wait, is there a dog in this one? There's not. I don't see a dog, but I forgive you, Happy Planner. And then we have the fall strip stickers. Okay, so same deal, just fall. And fall colored stripes. Love it. Wait, another page. Okay, so we had a page of clear illustrations like this, and now a page of paper illustrations of the same, which I like. Okay, sweater weather, fall in love with moments, grateful and happy. There is a little bits of gold foil on some of these, and on all of them actually. And then we have the gold foil flags over here. I love this because there's just this really skinny line of gold foil around here. You can barely see it, but it's sort of like you can, you know, it just adds a little something, a little pop, you know. So here's some of those stickers again, but they're fall themed stickers, and this has the gold foil and this does not. And then of course we're going to have some fall quotes. Start each day with a grateful heart, sweater weather, cozy up, seasons of color, grateful and happy. So this feels very Thanksgiving and Christmas to me. I mean, I guess it could be general fall. For me though, it does feel like Thanksgiving-ish. I don't know why. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me know what you think. But I mean, you could definitely do this any time of fall, right? Like pumpkins and stuff, of course. Like here's a girl. Look at her boots. Oh, that's really cute. That's a cute sticker. Anyway, so that's a really cute sticker book. Let me know what you guys think. As of the filming, it is still available on the Happy Planner website. I will link it in the description box. You get all these goodies in the box. All the goodies. Wait, where's the discs? And wait, there's something else. Oh yeah, the paper. I think it's really cute. Thank you, Happy Planner, for sending me this box. And let me know in the comments if you plan to purchase it. Okay, I know I've had a lot of hauls and flip throughs lately. Man, it all just came at once. It all came at once. But I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.